Hello everybody. In this session, we are going to solve the problem 13 in Project Euler. The title of this problem is named as large sum. Work out the first digits of the sum of the following 150 digit number. And then you are supplied with these numbers. So the width of them are 50, which means that they have 50 digits. And there are 100 lines of it, so you have 100 numbers. So for this problem, the first solution I would use is big integer. So if you are using Java, then you can use this library. It's a library that serves as a solution when you want to do operations on long numbers, like 50 digits like this, where the integer and long cannot hold that number anymore. So okay, first I have a string numbers, which I copy the numbers from here and paste into here as the input. And at the end of this, I use a buffer reader to read the lines. So when you call br.readLine, then you get a new line. So this is the reason on why I put this new line, so that I can look through the numbers and change them into big integer for me to do the operation. Okay, first we need we need a big integer to start with, that which is the sum. Initially you set it to 0, and next we will look for 100 times, which is 0 to 99. The first line to the 100 line. So to get confused here, 0 to 99 is 100 line, because 0, you use 99 minus 0 and plus 1, because 0 and 99 are inclusive. Okay, so now we add the line of numbers into the sum. By this, we read a line, then we use the line to create a big integer, and after that we add the sum to the big integer that we created just now. So at the end, this is you can get the answer very easily, just like this. The sum is so long, and the question states that you need first 10 digits of the sum, so we only take 10 digits of it, which is this, and the operation takes 8 milliseconds. Yeah, this is answer. So I have another solution which use array. So let's get this done. Okay. Okay. So far, as usual, we read all the numbers, and I'm going to use array to solve the digits. In this case, I'm using a 2D array, which means my data structure will be something like this. This is my 2D array. And for this, okay. So my 2D array is set as follows. To my 2D array, the first is a position, which means the length of the line which line the number is on, and the second digit, the second position of the array is digits. So if I put array 0 0, then it will be 5, and if I put array 0 1, which means that it is the first number and the second digit of it. Now we will load them into array. First, we get them converted into character array, alphabet by alphabet. In this case, because we need to convert character to the integer, so we need to minus 0. Otherwise, if you give the ASCII code, 0 is 48, 1 is 49, 2 is 50, so on and so forth. After that, we throw them all into an array. Why here? Why I2 plus 50 here? Because I'm going to put my sum into the same array with the numbers that we are going to use. So let's say we have 50 digits. So 50 digits plus 50 digits, 50 digits plus 50 digits. You could have a carry. So I add few more place for the array. So in this case, I have added 100 here, which means that before this digit, we have 50 arrays to be used, but for integer, the default array is 0. So it is something like when you add sum by your manual method. So okay, add. So yes, this is a reason why I leave some empty space for it. So make sure that the carry does fit into the result. Next, we are going to plus the number together and also get the sum. But here, I'm going to plus all the 100 digits from the last position together first, which 0 plus x plus 9 plus 0 plus 6 until the end. And I will get the carry, which is this. So this carry I will be used in the next digits, the digit calculation for the next digits. So yeah, this is it. Current sum equals carry. Then I will pass all the numbers, and finally I will set the result of that position, the modulus 10, and the remaining the carry, so they need to be carried forward to the second, and we will add it to the second digits, and we will get the digits, the carry for the third digits again, and so on and so forth. So at the end, I'm afraid of that there are zeros in this part. It is the display part. I'm going to show out the first 10 digits first, but in my case, I'm not sure whether the sum of the numbers at here are 0 or not. If it has leading 0, then we are going to ignore the leading 0. So at here, I'm setting the leading 0 to true first, and then if the leading 0 is false, which means that I will check through the numbers until 0 is not found. Let's say I have 1, 2, 3. So I go through this. Yes, it has 0. Yes, it has 0. And until here, then we'll display the number. Okay, so let's get the answer. So the answer is like this. Yeah. Okay. So it could be 0 some zeros in front. So I will skip to check, skip through this 0 and start displaying the numbers here. So in the end, I will get the first 10 digits of the sum, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, this is the video. Yes, this is it. So you can use either both array or big integer. If you are on a time constraint, then you can use big integer. So that's all for this question.